crazy, wacky, wild world of painting and slap it down.
Just a farmer once with my wants tied to my knees.
Trevor. Yo. Pass that powder.
Yo, Darren James Ray, what do you guys say? 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 What?